Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Crestron UC-P10-T series video phone and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings. Now there's two main reasons you would want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having issues where this phone is not responding or is frozen or is lagging, or maybe it's not connecting or not being detected or anything like that, any issues like that can very often be fixed with a factory reset. Now you will need to set it up again because it will be restored to the way it was when it came out of the box. And that's really the second reason you might want to do this. If you're in any situation, if you're selling it or buying a used one or moving this to a new office or just anything where you want to get it back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. All we're going to do is, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to unplug the Ethernet cable from it, wait a few seconds, and then plug it back in. And then when it's powering up, you'll see that the LED lights will flash green. And when that happens, you want to press the volume up and the mute buttons simultaneously for at least 10 seconds. After that, it will pop up a little confirmation screen. So you can toggle using the volume up and volume down. You can toggle through the options of yes or no, whether to confirm it. If you want to confirm it, you just toggle to the yes to confirm. Then you hit the mute button to select that as the OK button, and it will restart and reset to its factory default settings.